So what's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Y'all, I've had enough. I've had enough. I have tried to do this hair thing and I can't. So y'all know what time it is, right? You know what time it is. OMG. I've got to do what I've got to do. I've been snipping. I've kind of shaved off the sides a little bit, but the rest of this is gonna leave me today. Okay? So I don't have to say anything else. I don't owe nobody no explanation. I can just do as I choose. And that's what we're gonna do today. Woo! Gotta do it. Oh yeah. It's over. Is it over? Oh yes, I've got to call it a day. It's over. It's over. Nothing else to say. Alexa, read notification.
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. A shipment has arrived.
Beautiful babes, at this moment, I really intended to let y'all see me cut my hair, but I went to get my package from the front door, came back and looked at the camera like, whoops, I forgot to turn it back on when I got back. So I did buzz it off, and this is what you're looking at, so let's carry on.
That is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, it's a
met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. Where you coming over? Let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. Let me drive that. Yeah, I can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent all the way, got her bread right, yeah. Hard to ignore, sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down. Nothing else matching your type, nothing else matching your type, yeah. Oh, I feel the magic in the air. And when you give me a taste, I swear. When you give me a taste, let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur. I will let you make up your mind, but I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Feels so unreal. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. Does nothing move forward? It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Together. I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, are we thinking this through? If we not meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. 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 Say it to my face.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real?
Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. With us nothing moves forward, it just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game.
Thought we would be together. Be together.
I did think about you. Think about me. Are we thinking this through? If we not meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace.
my